be aware in our speech style. Being aware in our speech style is essential in maintaining effectiveness, communication, and building positive relationship with others. Here are some tips to help you become more conscious of your speech style. First, listen actively. Pay attention to the way others speak and the impact it has on you. Active listening can help you understand different speech style and adapt your own accordingly. Second, be mindful of tone. The tone of your voice can convey a range of emotions and attitudes. Be conscious of how your tone may be perceived by others and adjust it to match the situation. 3. Use the clear and concise language. Avoid using jargon and overlaying complex language that may confuse your listeners. Clear and concise communication is the key to ensure your message is easily understood. 4. Practice empathy. Consider the feelings and perspectives of others when speaking. Empathetic communication involves showing understanding and respect for the emotions of those you are speaking to. 5. Avoid negative language. Refrain from using negative language that can be hurtful or offense. Instead, focus on using positive and constructive language to convey your message effectively. 6. Be mindful of nonverbal cues. Pay attention to your body language, facial expression, and gesture while speaking. Nonverbal cues can impact how your message is received by others. 7. Adapt to your audience. Tailor your speech style to suit the preference and expectation of your audience. Whether speaking to colleagues, friends, or strangers, adjust your tone and language to fit the situation. And last, number 8, seek feedback. Ask for feedback from others on your speech styles. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your communication skills. By the way, being mindful of these tips and actively working to improve your speech styles, you can enhance your communication skills and foster better relationship with those around you.